Hey guys, welcome back to my nail obsession. So today I want to do a quick unboxing. So I ordered the new Red Iguana posable half hand. So I'm just gonna unbox it for you and give you kind of like a first impressions. So we're gonna get right to it because it's gonna be just a little speedy little unboxing. Alright, so I opened the box here and it was wrapped pretty it was wrapped pretty good. It took about like 10 days for them to make it because Red Iguana makes their hands. Well, first of all, if you're not familiar with Red Iguana is a company that sells like these posable silicone hands for you to practice on and do videos with. So I purchased one. My bill came out to be about $105. I used Mynail Secrets discount code for 10% off, and it's coming from California. I'm in the US as well, so it didn't take as long as maybe in non-US cities. I'm not sure if they ship internationally, but I think they do because Sarah's Nail Secrets, which I saw this hand on, she lives in Canada. So I'm pretty sure that they ship outside the US. You just have to go to the website and check, and they make the hands to order, so they don't have bulk orders, but they make the hands to order. So it took about 10 days for them to make it, and it took about 4 days for it to get here. So in total about 2 weeks it took. So we're just gonna pull this first box out, which is, I believe, the hand. And I love this packaging. This packaging is so nice. It's like, I love it. I love it. It's got the Red Iguana by April Ryan. And then also has like the little marble here and a little pull-out tab. So here has a thank you, and then it has their Instagram, Facebook, their website, and it has a discount code. So it's Hello5 for my next purchase, 5% off. And then these are the directions, how to use it and whatnot. Ooh, I didn't know it came with a ring. So it comes with a little ring, but we'll get to that later. I think you guys just really here for the hand. And I'm gonna put this box to the side. I'm gonna use this box for something. And it's wrapped in tissue paper, very nice. Okay, so I'm going to put the tissue paper to the side. And it comes in this little cinch bag. Very cute. And this is the hand. Oh my gosh. It is so realistic. I don't know if you can see it, but I see there are some slight imperfections like on the nail bed part. Let me turn down this. Okay, so there's some slight imperfections on the nail bed, as you can see, like right here. Just some little divots and stuff, but I don't mind it. I don't mind it too much. I feel like it's impossible to expect them to make it, perfectly every single time, since they are making it to order. So I think that that's a bit of a high standard to have. On the inside, it looks so real, like real hands. You can see like the little divots and dents and veins and crimples that everybody has in their hand. And I just got the half hand. Let me see how it poses, if it can pose. Oh my god, it can pose, y'all. See, Nelfie, you can take some Nelfie pictures. Cute. And I got, I'll show on the screen what shade that I got, but I definitely wanted a tan gal, so we have to come up with a name for her. She bends, so I got the posable kind, which is the one that you can pose for pictures and stuff like that. So yes, I really am liking this so far. Now in here you can see that there's little divots in the cuticle area, and I'm going to show you how that works in one sec. First, I also ordered the short hand stand, and it came in this black box here. So I got the holder, and this holder has like a little sticky thing on the bottom, like a little suction cup type of thing. So it has that, and then it has to where you can clip the hand on here. It's very sturdy, it's very hard, so it won't be slipping, the hand won't be slipping out. But let me set this up, and then I'm going to show you the ring, and then how the nail tips go in the hands and everything like that. Okay, so I can't find a flat surface, and I have this fabric on my table right now, so I'm just going to use the edge of my laptop to do this suction thing. And I think these have to go on, like, you know, like tables and stuff like that. I don't think it can suction on fabric, so I'm just going to press it down, see if it fits. All right, well, maybe I should. Okay, it's pretty sturdy. I'm gonna put it like towards the back, and I'm gonna press it down. Okay, I'm gonna bring it up. So I literally just pressed it down on my, computer. So I literally just pressed it down, and now I'm gonna clip my hand into it. All right. Okay. So that's that, and I have these white tips that I just like cut the bottom off of, and I'm gonna see if it works. So I have like a number 4 tip, and I'm gonna put it in the middle finger. So this is how you just slide it in, just like so. See? Really nice. And you can just take it out and slide it back in, and you can like put like another tip, like say you wanted to do extensions, and you could put another tip on there and work, you know, work like that. And then once you're done, you could just slide it right on out and start with a new one. So I really like this so far. My first impressions are that I really like it. I really do. I can't wait to do some looks on here and do some cool looks and practice on here. So I can't wait. So that was my little unboxing. Be looking for this hand and I'm gonna give it a name. I'm not sure what I'm gonna give it, what name I'm gonna give it. But oh, this is the ring. So it came with a ring. I didn't know it came with a ring. Wow, it's so sparkly. I almost want to like keep this on my, put this on myself. But this is the ring. I'm gonna put it on. It could be like a midi ring, like that, cute for your pictures. So I really like it. I didn't know it came with a ring, so that was a nice little surprise. Cute. So that is my first impressions of the Red Iguana. Besides these little imperfections on the nail bed, I think that is perfect, and it's just the shade that I would like. It's a bit darker than me. I thought it would be around my skin tone, but it's a bit darker than me, which I'm totally fine with. And yeah, I can't wait to use this. I think the suction cup is very worth it to buy as well with your purchase, and the packaging was so nice, and the shipping and delivery was nice and speedy, considering that they do make it to order. So I really enjoyed. I really think I'm gonna enjoy this hand. So until next time, guys.